Another key element of Sungura is we use a lot of intervals. What we call intervals are notes that are played with two notes that are different in pitch. The most common interval used in Sungura is the interval of a third. String number 2 is on fret number 13 and string number 1 is on fret number 12. If I play the major scale from here, do, re, mi, do, re, mi. So it's do, re, mi. So there are 3 notes there. So the distance between do and mi is 3 notes. I know that's too technical for those who don't play instruments, but I had no option than to go technical. So if you listen to Sungura a lot, I'm sure you remember such melodies like those are thirds. Other intervals that we use, for example, interval of a fifth. One of the most popular songs with an interval of a fifth is Kurara Wope by Sivas Mashagada. So that's an interval of a fifth because I'm holding string number 2 on the 13th fret and string number 1 on the 15th fret. So it's do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, re, mi, fa, sol. So I'm holding do and so, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's an interval of a fifth. And then at times we use the interval of a fourth as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's Leonard Bembo. That's a melody line, I think, from Madiri, if I'm not mistaken. And another interval that we use is the interval of a sixth. I think that's a James Chimombe song. And the interval of an eighth, we sometimes call them octaves. Jemeza by James Chimombe. But talking of Sungura music, one person who used octaves a lot, it's John Chibadura. For me, he's the all-time best guitarist when it comes to Sungura music.